We're getting started in Santa Monica with innovative designer and builder Mario Romano. His newest project is a perfect meeting of form and function, an artistic twist on practicality. It begins with a striking facade and continues all the way through the home. Durable surfaces that are intricately etched with Romano's signature wave design. The home is filled with open entertaining spaces that feel distinct yet cohesive. And there's 6 bedrooms spread out over its 7,000 square feet. Take a look.
Hi, my name is Mario Romano and welcome to 1016 San Vicente in Santa Monica. This project is a labor of love. I designed it, I built it. Come inside and I'll show you around. So as you arrive, the center of the house is where there is the most circulation. So we wanted to bring as much natural light as we possibly could. We created this massive volume going up about 25 feet with a massive skylight. In the spirit of circulation, let's explore the flow of this home. The reason why I designed the kitchen like this is because this is where everyone comes to gather. So I wanted to make it as spacious as possible, but with immense amount of functionality and even technology. Starting with this bar top, we have a wireless charging station right here. Also, making the appliances disappear, whether it's the freezer or the fridge, that are fully integrated into the cabinetry. The cabinets are all finished with Phoenix, and this material is incredibly matte, but at the same time, highly durable with its nanotechnology. If you scratch it, you can erase it with a little bit of heat or a sponge. And one of the elements of the kitchen technology that I really love is the dishwasher. All it needs is a little knock and it opens. It was very important to me to have an open floor plan so you could navigate from one space to the next, but at the same time you want to have some separation. In the dining room we have a pony wall, which is a half wall, delineating the dining room space, but at the same time allowing natural light to flood into the dining room from the skylights above. And we want to create a design experience wholly unique to the dining room space. And we've done that by popping up the ceiling about 4 feet and allowing these 12-foot windows to rise up and frame the beautiful landscape. And speaking about design experience, let's go upstairs. You have to see this. On the way to the master, we have to take a moment and enjoy this incredible volume. 4 bedrooms all networked together, and we've connected it with this wonderful bridge. When I designed the master bedroom, I wasn't just designing one space, but thinking about 3 spaces. The master closet, the master bathroom, and the master bedroom. You want to have privacy, but you want to bring as much natural light in as possible, so we did floor-to-ceiling windows, in addition to another incredible skylight. It's about the feelings that we get when we look up into the sky and we do not see an end. Stepping down into the lower level, it's all about entertainment. We have ping pong so you can play with your family, or you can watch an incredible movie projected about 17 feet wide. And then on the other side, we have another entertainment lounge space. Here's something you've never seen. It's called M.R.Walls, and it's the world's first 3D printed backlit wall. When I designed and created this wall, I wanted to create an atmosphere. What's unique is there's no repetition. It's recognizable, just like the patterns of a giraffe. We took that formula and we superimposed it into an incredible surface, making it multi-dimensional and evocative. Another way to connect to nature is with fire in the outdoor patio or a communal fire pit, which we installed right over there to bring people to gather at all times of the day. Set this against the backdrop of all this lush green landscaping. This backyard has everything. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 1016 San Vicente, where we saw firsthand a blend of various styles that I'm very passionate about, all here in this wonderful home in Santa Monica. I'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to click and subscribe. We've got so many more beautiful homes to share.